Today, I'm going to tell you how to store tomato paste for a very long time. Normally, the tomato paste which we make at home does not have any preservatives. Hence, it has to be stored in a certain way. But you will not find this difficulty from the one which you buy from the market because they have already preservatives added to this. Therefore, only the one which we make at home should be stored carefully. Tip number one. In this method, we need the tomato puree in a thick form. To make this, first of all, run the tomatoes nicely into a liquid puree form. Now take a pan, keep it on the gas stove, add 2 or 3 teaspoons of oil. Pour this liquid tomato puree into it and then keep on stirring with a ladle, wooden ladle. Now you have to keep stirring till that thick consistency is reached. For that, you need to simmer the gas stove so that you can keep on stirring slowly and then finally you get a thick consistency. Now off the gas stove and bring the puree to a room temperature. Cool it down and then transfer the entire puree into Ziploc covers. But take care that before you transfer it, smear some oil inside the Ziploc covers so that removal of the puree in the cake form becomes very easy. Now transfer. After applying the oil in the Ziploc covers, you can transfer the entire puree into the Ziploc covers, lock it, and store it in the freezer. Freezer containers are also available in the market. You can store the same puree in the same process using the freezer containers also. Tip number two. In case you want to store the tomato puree in a liquid form without thickening it, then you can use the ice trays directly. Make the tomato puree in a liquid form, pour it inside these trays, close it with a lid and store it in the freezer. Now whenever it is required, remove one or two or two cubes as required and then you can make use of it directly.